tonight we are in Lakewood. I don't think he's not here to do the floor mat. Are you here for the floor mats? No, 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 definitely not here for the floor mat. That is a maniacal laugh right there. Tonight we are in Lakewood at the Bubble Express Car Wash at the corner of Del Amo and Paramount for Horror Car Wash LA. You get your car washed and see some creepy characters while you're at it. So let's go in and get the car washed, hopefully. And it did rain the other day, so the car really needs to be washed, but I don't know about this. That is the Bubble Express Car Wash right there. It's 2711 Del Amo Boulevard, City of Lakewood, right at Paramount Boulevard. It is Horror Car Wash LA, and it was awesome. Did you like it?
Yeah, I liked it. This was really cool. The scare actors were really into their characters, so it was cool.
Very much so. They follow you around. There weren't as many inside the car wash as the other experience that we went through in Anaheim, but I believe these guys are a little bit more interactive and
they're creepier.
Yeah, they're very creepier.
The way they would just walk up to you, and at the end of the car wash too.
Yeah, the scare actor at the very end just waiting there for you was probably one of the creepiest things I've seen. I noticed they were quiet. They didn't talk and they didn't scream.
No.
They didn't get right in your face, but they were creepy. So I'd highly recommend this. They ask that you purchase tickets in advance on Eventbrite. I'll put the link in the description and there on the screen. And again, it's 2711 Del Amo Boulevard, City of Lakewood, Bubble Express Car Wash. Put all the details down in. Thanks to Drew and the whole crew here for having us out. We really enjoyed it. It is open through Halloween select nights. Again, all the details will be down in the description down there. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps us out. And if you're not following us on social media, you can find us at the Funnel Cake Blog on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And we're going to get back in the car before those creepy characters run across Del Amo here. Bye.